Hi, this is Paul, and in this video we'll be covering the iX Series Bell Schedule tool. The iX Series Bell Schedule tool automates much of the programming process required to create the bell schedules for the iX Series. Its simple, user-friendly interface makes it easy to create and maintain bell schedules. It also works with your existing iX Series bell schedules. After the tool has been launched, it will automatically begin searching for the iX Series Support Tool system data on the PC running the software. So you need to make sure you actually have the program file on the PC that's running this bell schedule tool. Once the data has been found, enter the iX Bell Schedule tool's default ID and password of admin and click Login. When logged in, you will be presented with the list of existing iX Series system configurations. Select the system name for the configuration that requires the bell schedule setting and click Create Bell Schedule. The Create Bell Schedule window is where up to 10 individual bell schedules can be created with weekly and daily events. Choose the schedule to edit or create from the list on the left. Edit the bell schedule name by clicking the pencil icon. The button at the top of the calendar will allow you to filter through month, week, day, and agenda. Through those filters, you can use the back and next buttons to navigate freely through the calendar. Click the plus icon to open the Add Chime Schedule window. Choose either a weekly or daily event. Weekly events will occur on the designated days for the next calendar year, and daily events will only occur a single time on the designated date at a specific time. In this example, we'll set a chime schedule for 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. Select each day and use the time drop-down to select 11. Next, use the sound drop-down to select a sound file to be played as the chime. The sound drop-down will display all default sounds and any custom sound files registered in the support tool. It is recommended to ensure that all stations using the schedule have the same sound file registered to them. For more information on how to register custom sound files, please watch our video Add and Configure Custom Sound Files on an Existing iX Series System. Links for that video will be in the description below. After selecting a sound file, click the Add button. This will populate the calendar with events for each of the assigned days. Next, we'll need to select which stations will receive the bell schedule settings. Click Add Stations. Confirm that the correct schedule is displayed in the drop-down at the top of the window. Then check all of the iX Series stations that will be associated with that bell schedule. Once completed, click Apply Schedule. Click the Upload button in the top right corner of the window. This will start the upload process and will take a few minutes. Uploading the schedule to the stations will also update the configuration in the iX Support tool itself, even if the stations are currently offline or not visible on the network. If the schedule has failed to upload, a red X icon will appear to the left of the station's listing. Hovering over the icon will display the reason for the failure and the IP address of the station. Another possible reason for failure will be if the schedule is using a sound file that is not registered to the station. The upload process will fail immediately in that case. Once the upload process is completed, the stations will be ready for testing and deployment. For more information, visit our website at www.aiphone.com. Thanks for watching.